Hi everyone, Tofata here from Cigarettes and welcome to another video. Today we're talking dating, hitting on someone. I'm married and I haven't done this in a while, but I was like, the people want to know because you've just landed in South Africa, you have just landed in Bots, or you're trying, you're catching up with group of people from Africa and you have an eye on someone from Botswana and you're like, oh, from South Africa. Who's Botswana? Botswana. And you are like, I'm gonna impress them. So first you say hello in Setswana. Dumela ma, dumela ra. Gibidiwa, you say your name. My name is, say your name. Gibidiwa Mark. Gibidiwa Stephanie, say your name. Lina Lamiki, my name is Mark. Lina Lamiki, Mark. Lina Lamiki, Stephanie. And then you might ask, what's your name? Wena Lina Laka Kimang. Wena Lina Laka Kimang. You, what is your name? Right? So then they can answer. Oh, Nakividiwa. Oh, now you know. So then, let's say this is all online. You've set your Bumble location to South Africa and you're trying to impress. I don't know. That work with me. So you're like, I would like to take you out for coffee. Are you available? I would like to take you out for dinner. Out. Ooh. May I please take you out? The out is out. It's very English. The out. May I please take you out? May I dijo tsa maitsiboa? Dijo tsa maitsiboa. That is, I would like to take you out for dinner. I would like to take you out for dinner. Then you wait for what they say. And then you're like, number. May I have your number, please? Number. May I have the number that belongs to you? May I have your number? Ooh. May I come? Do you want me to come pick you up? Because you're setting up this date. Why am I imagining the person is a guy? But yeah, a guy will set the date. Means you want me to pick you up. Because of course you've planned a whole thing. Right? Where do I pick you up? Guy is where? Is like a question. Should I pick you up? And if they're like, Emma, Era, Eras, yes sir. Where am I picking you up? Guy. Then they might give you the address, or they might give you somewhere to pick them up. And then you go out for a dinner, drinks, dinotsi means drinks, coffee is coffee. It's just out there. And I think then the conversation is likely to flow in English if you're English. But just that effort to try and impress someone by asking them out, because Setswana is very poetic, and so I'm even here and you can't see it, but I'm blushing because I can imagine someone saying, I'm gonna pick you up. Should I pick you up? And then saying, you arrive in, I hope you love flowers. I hope you love flowers. Que solo fela ha o rata dithunya. ke solofela ga o rata dithunya. I hope, tsholofelo or solofela is hope, that you love go rata flowers, dithunya. So yeah, I'm helping you. You go get that. Till next time, Bye.